What's up everyone, my name is Robert Angwin and today I'm going to take you on a little tour around Premiere Pro. So let's jump in. Alright, so as soon as you jump into Premiere Pro you're going to see this screen. You're going to click New Project. Here you call it whatever you want. Okay. Alright, so once you're in this screen here you're going to grab your footage. You're going to drag it and drop it right there. Once it's here, you can drag it and drop it on your timeline and it will all be there. Or double click. Say I want to get just this part here. You can mark in, go to the end of where you want it, mark out, then you can just drag that down there and you've only got that little bit that you've selected here. You can also from here drag the video only or the audio only. They're just some basic things you should know. Alright, so just make this a whole clip again, drag it into here. Here is where you'll find all your tools. If you're a beginner, the basic ones you're going to use is the selection tool and the cut tool. If you hover over, it'll show you the keyboard shortcut there. So the selection tool is V, razor tool is C, so you can easily switch between the two. So we're going to cut, we're going to move, and one handy tip is right click, ripple delete, will delete any gap that's in between your clips. Now if we go over here to this arrow here, then the drop down effects is one common thing that you're going to use. For now we'll just grab a blur, we'll apply the blur to our clip. Now if we come up here to effects controls, down here we've got our blur effect. We can increase, decrease and change all the settings for that effect. Just put that back to 0. Also up here in our effects panel we've got position, scale, rotation, all them main things that you might want to use. Alright, so say I wanted to zoom in on me on this clip right here. Go to the start, I'd put keyframe in there, keyframe the scale, position, I might want to move that too, and then go to the end of where you want it, click these two little dots to put another keyframe in both of them, then you can scale, position, left, right, up, down. God, couldn't pick a better look on my face, could I? Then if we go back to the start, click play, you'll see it will zoom in. You can also do this for your rotation, anchor point, etc. Up here you'll see all your different tabs. The main three that you're going to be using when you're beginning is editing, color and effects. So if we click on color, here you can adjust all your colors. We'll do basic white balance with this here. Click on a white part of your video, that'll balance most of it out for you, and then you can adjust to your preference. I haven't done an in-depth video about this yet. If you do want that, drop a comment, let me know, and I might just bring one to you. Moving on to effects. Here you'll find, again, effects that you can use, but also text effects, graphics, transitions, overlays, all that kind of fancy stuff. Here in audio, this is where you pick the music that you want to use. Also in here is a good thing, click on edit, presets. I use this all the time, dialogue. You can balance the voice to make it sound a bit better. That's just the basic thing that I'll do, is I'll balance the audio for that track. can adjust the volume, etc. If you're a beginner, just doing that will make your audio a hell of a lot better. Alright, so once you're done editing, file, export, media. Here you can select the format. If you're not sure about this, H.264 is the most commonly one used, so just use that. Your presets for whatever you're exporting it for. I'm always doing YouTube, so I'm always YouTube 1080 full HD. If you click on here, this is where you're going to save it to, so you can name it. Click save and you're done. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, helps a lot with the algorithm. Also check out these videos here, you might find them useful too. And click on my face right now if you want to subscribe. See you in the next one.